A quick update on XCN here. So we could draw a million different fibs on the chart to try to show where support is. If we go high to the low here on the 4 hour, you can see we're still holding the 3-2 to the downside at 3-0 there. So we'll move that one off of the chart. The one we've had on the chart, low to the high, we're just bouncing around this 3-2 area at 32. But ultimately, you can see we're holding this little trend down here. And if we zoom out to the daily chart, let me go ahead and get this one off. If we zoom out to the daily chart, this is what we also have been pointing out, is you're just still in a very large consolidation pennant pattern, whatever you want to call this here, triangle continuation pattern. But the overall price of XCN does not look bad here. We're still holding and consolidating over the 618, and we have all these bullish events coming this week on this thing. So we're expecting this thing to run up to these higher targets here. Let me zoom back into the 4 hour here. So we do have 4.5 pennies. That is a price that is coming up. I think I marked that out. No, I didn't. Let me go ahead and mark this out for XCN. But if we go from that high to the low, let's see if we can find it here. But yeah, we do have where we got stuck last time, the 2414 at pretty much 4.5. And I think if we can get through that, so you have 4.5, and then ultimately the larger 786 here to get through at 5.5 pennies. So I think, which I've been pointing out, let's zoom back out to the weekly chart, in that consolidation phase we're in right now, just zooming out, looking at the overall chart, I think this next volume area here, if you've missed the other updates, we'll simply put the VRVP up here, and you can clearly see the overall chart. The next volume area takes you up here between these two red lines, and anywhere from 8 to 10 pennies here. So we got through this one here, which was this, and of course the large one down at the bottom. So as long as we're holding over this 618, bullish in that consolidation triangle there, I think this thing's going to blow right through 5.7 and come up to this volume area up to 8 to 10 cents. And from where we are right now, you're looking at just a little over a 200% move if it makes it up to 10 here. Maybe about 150-60% if it makes it to 8, but still not a bad move for this thing. And then the bigger question is, after we get through that, where's this thing going to go into in later 2025? So we have had this target on the chart for a very long time, the 1272. We've been watching this 88-cent level. I don't know if the market cap's still correct, but 28 billion market cap, and we were watching that from the bottom formation where we were watching XCN, hopefully to get in down here, and always kind of joking that this thing's going to do a 700x, so pile in while you can. But now it's becoming a reality. I mean, we're already over halfway there. So what are your thoughts on XCN at this point? Do you think this thing is going to hit 88 cents to maybe $1 here in 2025? None of this is financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.